Okay, so quickly looking at how to create like a test or a quiz on Ensme. So I just logged in, and first thing I have to go to actually is view my personal folder. So it's this little folder up here by the search bar, and then you go to this top menu here where you have new, and in new you have several options here. The one we're looking at is a question sheet. So this question sheet again. Could be a quiz, could be a check-in, it could be a test. All right, so this is where you create your test, your sheet, these questions. If you need to edit it or whatever, you always do it from this place in your folder. All right, so test title. All right. If you check off feedback, that allows you to then, after each question, type in information or give back feedback. If you don't check that, there will not be a spot for you to write anything. So with our distance learning, I think it's good to have that, so I'll check it off. Previous student means that's what you're going to see, what the kids are going to see essentially. So leave that for now. Expectations, you can type right to your expectations of your course. So you just go in there and, with the box and search a course and you can add it there. Scheme, essentially that's out of, so each question you can make out of 1, 2, 5, 10 marks, whatever you want. You could do it with the KTCA, and those are the two most popular ones really. So you just go out of, maybe with that. All right, and then you can have multiple sections. I don't think I've ever gone beyond section 1, but you could do multiple sections. And then if you notice here, so if I want to delete this section, there's a trash can, so I can delete that. Obviously I have nothing to go with here, right? Question number 1, I can delete that as well. What you want to do is select first, which is kind of, I guess, why it's a little higher up as you go down the hierarchy here, is select the type of question that you want to create. So if it's a true, false, multiple choice, choose all that apply. These are all your answers here, right? Or the types of questions that you can use. Only one I'll tell you to be aware of is this drag and drop. Drag and drop question only works on a laptop or a computer, and that's if you want them to put something in order or reorganize some information. They cannot do that on their phone or iPad, so just keep that in mind. The rest of them are all pretty good and straightforward. True, false questions, multiple choice, choose all that apply. Short answer, paragraph. Difference there again. Short answer, if you're looking for like a 1 or 2 sentence answer, you're good. Paragraph can go to town. I've had kids write over a page for that, and they're fine. Okay, and Likert scale is creating like an agree, strongly disagree type question. So multiple choice, I'm going to select it, enter the question. All right, I've brought in images. Sometimes I want a kid to look at, a case study or look at something like a real case scenario in geography, for example. I've brought in pictures into the question, and then just create your answers here. And what is blue? All right. This is where that feedback can come in. So if they do choose sky, you're like, yeah, that's the right answer, awesome. If they choose grass, you'd be like, oh, good try, but should have been this, should have been that. All right. And then you select, in this case, the correct answer so that it knows which one's right. And that's it. And then you keep going to add a new question, etc. You can add a new section. So you're going to have like a multiple choice section, do a true false section, and then do your more longer answer request section. You could do that and hit save. All right, so it's kind of misleading. It's like, oh wait, did it save or not? So let me return to my folder. Again, my quiz was quiz 1. It's generally saved in here in alphabetical order. Okay, and so I'm going about my business, whatever, and I want to go back to that quiz because I needed to add on to it or what have you. Then just go into your folder. It's still there, quiz 1. And here's where I can add to it and continue. All right, so add a new question, and that's where you just continue on. Okay. I think I'm gonna stop there for today. And then essentially tomorrow I'll do another video to show you how to upload that into an actual quiz and openings and closings, all that.